is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Rico here. Today we're picking up a shift boot from Ford. My old shift boot, when I changed it, I threw away the factory one. So once I got tired of this one, I threw it away too, and I was like, fuck it. And then I broke a clip also, so it wouldn't stay on properly. So right now we're headed to Ford. We're gonna go pick up the part. I already ordered it yesterday, so it's gonna be sick. Once we get that part, we're gonna go ahead and install it, and then I'm gonna show you guys my new shift now that you guys have yet to see. So once I pick up the part, I'll get back to you guys, alright?
This one looks nice though, like the front end looks nice. I don't like that generation of Camaro. Got no fog lights too.
That's the new one.
I don't like that.
Not a fan of the new ones.
Me either.
Look at that slow. Those are the niggas in those Mustangs. So those niggas lock it up, please.
It's forced.
Are you recording this whole time?
Yeah, I told you I was recording. Is that a record? You can fast the shit.
Oh yeah, what's up? We back. You know, my boy didn't tell me he was recording. You heard? But yeah. So we picked up the parts in the trunk. We're headed back to the crib right now. It's cool. Yeah, we'll be straight.
Nah, I'm gonna cut this.
Install shouldn't take us. Why are you talking to yourself right now?
I don't know, bro.
Anyways, install shouldn't take us longer than like 10 minutes. Let me know what you guys think about this angle. You guys think it's a good angle? But yeah, guys. So once I get back to the crib, I'll get back to you guys. All right? Yo, what should I call my fans? That's hard, right? Treat your dailies. I don't know, bro.
SSD game.
Shut the fuck up.
Nah, that's a good one though. SDD.
Yo, what is up, SDD squad? No. Alright, guys, so I did open the box. Just to make sure everything was in here. So here we got the adapter for the Mustang. It's something, it's called like the Ford adapter or something like that. But and here we go. Oh, here we got the actual stuff. This thing is heavy, guys. Beautiful though.
Damn. It's clean, bro.
Hold that thing. Do not drop it.
Oh.
Tell me that thing doesn't weigh.
Yeah, bro, it weighs, bro.
Come on, you're a little fitness guy. How much do you think that weighs? Like, I said like 3 pounds around there. Maybe
5 pounds.
5 pound, right? I did not expect that to be that heavy, guys.
I like the packaging.
Yeah, I fuck with the packaging too. Yeah, guys, you got the. I think it's called. Let me see here. It's the Ashiko Big Bore Red Gloss right there. I got the red gloss, and then I got the Ford adapter as well with it. The cool thing about them is that just take a picture of that and it takes you to the installation guide. We gotta edit that out. Installation guide, all right. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. All right, YouTube, we're back at the crib. Now we're gonna unbox this. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure it's the right part. That'll be right over there. I've been in this. Oh wow, that's a lot newer. You see, guys, right here, I broke like 2 sections of this clip part. This disconnects so you can change the shift boot. But I broke, I think it was like this side, and then it was like right here too, some shit like that. I broke 2 clips here, whatever. But like, yeah, like I was saying, the collar, I have the, as you guys can see right here, I got the black collar right here, and this comes with that gray collar, whatever it's called. As you guys see, comes with this gray one, which actually doesn't look too bad. What do you guys, leave down in the comment below, what do you guys think I should do since I'm doing the black and chrome combo? What do you think, James?
Keep it. I like it.
I should keep this?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty fire, right?
Yeah. Go to the interior a little bit too.
Let's see. So to take this off, guys, what I do, I put it in reverse, and then you see these clips, there's 3 clips all around. So what I would do is I just lift it up, try to push it, and push this side until it comes out, to be honest. Alright guys, so like I said, once I got these clips out, let me see. Okay, there you go. I got it out. Now we gotta take this shit off. I should have taken this off. Alright, so you unscrew this. We got this loose already. I should have taken this off a minute ago. Bada bing, bada boom. But yeah, like I said, guys, leave it down in the comment what you guys think is like better. You guys like the chrome one, or the silver one, or the black one? I am doing a black and chrome theme on the car. You guys probably know. So you guys gotta let me know what y'all think, alright? Okay, so what you guys do is just flip it up like this, push it down, and then just try to find the spot. Boom, that's in. Test it before. Boom, backup camera popped up, meaning it's in reverse. So that worked. Now, push it all into place again. Bada bing, bada boom. Damn, it feels so nice to have a shift boot again. Alright, so now, we're gonna install this bad boy. So if you guys can't guess yet, this is my Raceseng Ashiko, I think it is, or Ashiko, something like that. Shift knob. I got it in ruby red, I think it was. Yeah, let me show you guys now. There it is. Got the H pattern. Nice red, big bore. If you guys want this for your Mustang, you need to get the big bore for the reverse stock out. So just a heads up. Alright guys, that's the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. That's a wrap for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, alright? Make sure you guys go check out all the other videos. The dyno video, that shit was sick.
The last video, which was
racing video, that shit was lit. We were at Mexico, you know. Nice little part of Mexico. Then we went to get some tacos, you know, it's kinda lit, But hey guys, once again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.